Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix iPhone ghost touch issues without losing data. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. Method 2. Disconnect third-party charger and accessories. Third solution. Clean your iPhone screen. Fourth solution. Remove or replace your screen protector. Fifth solution. Try a different iPhone case. Sixth solution, check your accessibility settings. And the last solution is update the latest version of iOS. So follow these steps to fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.